What's the meaning of chock-a-block? Chock-a-block. Chock-a-block.
Chock-a-block. Chock-a-block. Chock-a-block is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation where something is completely full or crowded with no more room available. It can refer to physical spaces like a room packed with people or a road filled with vehicles, or even to abstract concepts like schedules or workloads that are overflowing with tasks. When something is chock-a-block, there is no space left for anything else to fit in. This phrase can often imply a feeling of chaos or overwhelm, especially if the crowded situation is unexpected or unwanted.